Hey there, welcome to another video on Savvy Fox, the platform where we cover various topics around investing. Today's video is part one of a series on various alcohol producers. Today we are covering Brown-Forman. First, a disclaimer. We are no financial advisors. You're responsible for your own investment and financial decisions. This video is not and should not be regarded as investment advice or as a recommendation regarding any particular security or course of action. Let's have a business overview on Brown-Forman. The Brown-Forman Corporation is one of the largest American-owned spirits and wine businesses. It's a company with a long tradition, having been around for 150 years. The company stocks are publicly traded, but the business is family-owned and controlled. Roughly 40 members of the descendants of the founder, George Garvin Brown, control more than 2/3 of the voting shares. Brown-Forman has a very focused portfolio of alcoholic brands built around their two flagships, Jack Daniel's, the iconic Tennessee whiskey, and Old Forester, the brand of Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey produced by the Brown-Forman Corporation. Jack Daniel's is the largest global premium spirits trademark and only really challenged by the Scottish whiskey brand Johnnie Walker, which is owned by Diageo. The Brown-Forman company has strengthened its global presence in the last 40 years. Currently, around 50% of revenues derive from the US market. The rest is made up outside America. Brown-Forman shows conservative financial policies with a A1 credit rating. The company has been paying out dividends since 1944 and has been increasing the payout since 1984, which makes Brown-Forman a dividend aristocrat. Brown-Forman's strong profitability on the back of iconic premium brands, namely Jack Daniel's and Forester's, which are growing fast, led to a consistent trend in form of mid to single digit growth to the bottom and top line. So while Brown-Forman has healthy operative margins above 30% and predictable free cash flows through economic cycles, despite sensitivity to discretionary consumer spendings, the company is facing pressure on its margins due to growing competition, and further building up its strong distribution networks also requires heavy investments, putting pressure to the bottom line. Brown-Forman has over 40 brands, but as said, it's highly focused on its two flagship brands. The company's net sales of 3.5 billion and an operative income of above 1 billion are likely to continue to grow annually, but the company's relatively small scale compared to its competitors, in particular Diageo, and the limited product diversification with a meaningful concentration of sales on profits from the Jack Daniel's brands family are certainly factors to bear in mind when it comes to investing into that company. All right, let's have a look at the stock price dynamics of Brown-Forman. Well, it becomes immediately clear that Brown-Forman has been one of the exceptional wealth creators among publicly traded companies controlled by a family. There's some sensitivity to discretionary consumer spendings, as said, but still you have seen a relatively smooth stock price chart moving up quite nicely in tandem with the business fundamentals. Now, taking into account of more than 35 years of consecutive dividend growth, it has been a compelling investment case. Brown-Forman stocks always look expensive. Personally, I cannot remember of having seen shares of that business below a price-earning ratio of 25. But still, when you look at the stock chart, there's some volatility, which is always welcome when considering taking a stake of a wonderful business at a fair price. For instance, in March 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world and restaurants had to close around the globe and international travel came to a temporary standstill, the Brown-Forman stock came down by 25%. These are the kind of rare occasions where quality at the fair price can be found, and there's certainly currently no need to rush into taking exposure in either one of in Brown-Forman. The stock market through volatility will provide plenty of opportunities in the future. Just put businesses you like on a watch list and be patient. The next buying opportunity could be showing up even sooner as you might think. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the company Snapshot. Thanks for watching. Please also check out our website at www.savvyfox.com. If you liked this video, please smash the like button. We would be pleased if you subscribe, and thanks again for watching and have a nice day. Bye.